everyone. It's been a really long time since I last vlogged, but I'm taking myself on a solo date because someone is on a work trip, so let's go. I've come to this French cafe. I got myself an iced latte, just basic one, because it's really hot today. And then I got myself this brioche, this French brioche that I used to eat when I went to France to visit my grandparents. It has the sugar on the top. And yeah, I don't know why, but this cafe smells like my grandparents' house in France, sorry. So I don't know, I really like it. And they have the flat from La Bretagne, where my grandma is from. So yeah, I really like it here. There's not that many people and the weather is perfect. I finished eating my brioche and latte, and now I'm walking to the Han River. But first I'm gonna stop by, what is it called? By Daiso and see what they have, because I needed to buy a few things. And yeah, but before going from the cafe, I got myself 2 baguettes, because it's not the easiest to find like normal real baguettes here in Korea, and nearby our home there's not like really any French place. So I got myself 2 of them, and I can freeze them and then eat them whenever I want. I don't know if it's the area or just the day and time, but there's barely anyone around here in the streets, because I usually don't come here to walk around. But I decided to go from the cafe to the Han River. Is like 20 minutes downhill, so we'll see later. Maybe there's gonna be more people around there, because at the cafe there's also a lot of people in that area, so we'll see. And I didn't stop by Daiso because it was really small. Like, it was way smaller than I expected, because I found it on Neighbor, so maybe I can find another one later or nearby home. Found this so interesting. There's a bike rental store here to bike around the Han River. Oh my god, the weather today is so hot. Like, I'm wearing just like this one, a cardigan, like a thin cardigan, and this thin jacket, and I'm so hot. I think I'm gonna have to take it off because I'm really hot right now. perfect temperature to walk. Oh wait, there's fishes. Oh my god, they're huge. Look at this. Can you see them? They're huge. As I was saying, the temperature is perfect to go on a walk today because the pollution is very low because yesterday it rained and it's not cold at all. There's a little bit of wind and it's warm. It's just perfect. So yeah, I'm enjoying the day like this, walking around. I think I'm just gonna walk the whole way up until one of the subway stations. I'm gonna see. Okay, because it's so hot and there's a lot of sun like hitting my head right now, I decided I'm gonna cross over to the other side and walk around like the normal street, let's say, and try to see if I can find a convenience store to get some water, and then I'm gonna walk to the like main area to see if there's any nice cafes to sit around. I don't really come to this area usually to walk around or anything, so I'm just covering everything at the same time as I'm filming. So basically the same time as you. So I know there's a few cafes here that have really nice views. I'm gonna see if I can go there, but I think there's gonna be a lot of people because they're popular and it's like main time after lunch. So we'll see. And also Sunday, so we'll see. But yeah, I'm pretty sure I can find my way through the streets with neighbors, so yeah. Around the corner from here there should be a CU, so let's go get water. We got it. Oh my god. So refreshing. Somehow ended up in the Hongdae area, so now I think I'm just gonna go to the subway station, go home, but first we're gonna stop at the supermarket because I need some things to prepare dinner tonight. This one, there's all of these ones here, but this one's the smallest and it doesn't have any tomatoes or anything because I want to make it with tofu, so I'm going to take this one. And now that I'm here, I cannot think of anything else that I need to buy, so I think I'm just going to take this one and just go home. But I'm just going to walk through first and see if I can remember something. I think I'm also going to take one of these puddings here because they look so good. And I always get like hungry for it either after lunch or dinner. business trip. I'm finally back home. I'm exhausted. I think I walked 10 kilometers, so it's a lot. So yeah, I went to the supermarket as you saw. I got a few things. I'm gonna show you what I got. As you saw, I got this salad. It's just a normal salad. Then I got also the puddings that you saw, 2 of each. Well, I mean, there's 2 in each box. So chocolate and normal. And then I also got these already pre-made soups that they were 1 + 1, so 1 was free. And the total was like not even 3,000 won. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna take it because like this one, I don't want to really cook or something. This one is perfect to eat with something else. And one is a sweet pumpkin soup and the other one is a mushroom soup. And that's it. It was a total of 11,761. So yeah, now I'm gonna chill a little bit because I need to chill because I haven't stopped today. I went on a walk with Ella. I didn't film it, but I went on a walk with Ella this morning. Then I got ready and I went to the cafe and I walked a really long time under the sun. So yeah, I'm gonna chill a little bit and then I'm gonna start preparing dinner because it's almost dinner time. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that and I'll update you guys later. So it's the evening now. I walked Ella, I showered, I did my skincare, and I did myself a tofu and avocado salad. It looks like this. It's not very aesthetic right now because I just did it quickly. But I also made myself a soy sauce, what is it? Soy sauce, sesame oil, and honey sauce. So I'm just gonna pour it on top of it. Hopefully it's good. And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna eat this for dinner while I watch some Gilmore Girls and also while I edit this video here. I hope you enjoyed this video even though last week there wasn't a video. I was so busy, I had so many random things going on and I barely vlogged anything. That's why I decided to not post a video. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video and I'll vlog a lot more next week. Bye!